straight na nagbabakla-baklaan na content, tigil nyo yan.
Mga queer baiting.
Queer baiting.
Kung nakita mo yung clip na yon ng Dog Show Divas, it started as a punchline, then it became political. Both of them, McCoy and Baus, called out content creators na nagbabakla-baklaan, and they said, tigil nyo yan. While hindi naman ako offended, but also, dahil may awareness ako about what's going on around me, alam ko that something is wrong. May mali dun sa ganong type. Bakit? Una, these guys, they're really straight and nagbabakla-baklaan. So, it started as patawa lang naman. Like, kahit ako na-enjoy ko din eh. Like, I follow those guys. But when they started going on interviews and talking about kung straight ba sila, kung totoo bang bading sila, dun na tayo hindi aligned. Number one, wala silang awareness sa community na pinarepresent nila. So, hindi nila alam yung sexual orientation and gender identity na magkaiba yon. And also, ito yung gusto ni Alvin Aragon. Yung magbakla-bakla ang katanggap ka namin, pero at the end of the day, straight ka pa rin dapat. Hindi mo ginagawa yung mga ginagawa nyo. So, kayo lang yung ibang topic na yun. And then I see people in the comment section saying, kasi sila nakatawid sila sa mainstream media while yung mga bading hindi. Correct. Kasi wala silang pake dun sa community na nire-represent nila. I remember Poca even saying na may tinanggihan siyang role because ayaw niya na nung mga bakla-bakla na parang naka-kiffy shorts, tapos naka-maiksing tank top, tapos may ribbon, ganong representation. Ayaw na nila. Ayaw na ni Poca yon. Ayaw na namin nun. Kasi sobrang makaluma. But these guys will just say yes to anything. So they're going against what we're really fighting for. Kasi natutuwa din naman ako nakahapon. I have a straight friend who messaged me kasi nga nirepost ko to. And he said, dapat ba si Tekla kasama ay tumigil din? Dapat ba si Roderick Paulate tumigil din? Sabi ko, hindi naman para sa akin. Hindi naman basta tumigil. Pero the allyship, awareness for the community that you are using, dapat meron. Hindi yung profit off lang. Dapat pumunta ka naman sa pride, di ba? Paglaban mo naman yung community na ginagamit mo, di ba? Because to be honest, the gays, we grew up hiding these things because hindi to acceptable. And now that we're starting to educate people about us, get comments such as, pagbading at ginawa, HIV! See,